Hi, in previous video, we just created a sample uh, Lambda function and we just pass a parameter of first name, last name, and website name. So right now, what we'll do is we uh, try to change the value. So this event value, see whether it works fine or not. Let me make I pass the first name Jagan. I make last name is Rajagopal. I'll just append with new coding tutorial. I'll just save it. So when I trigger it, the first name, last name should come. Whatever I have configured the event, that name should come. Okay. Let me test it. Yeah, it's executed. So this is my first name. This is my last name, and this coding tutorial has been appended. Since you don't have space, that's why it comes here. Okay, that's fine. No problem. And so you have seen the response also 200 because this is the value we are returning. So this is the thing it comes. So if you see, this is a function, and event is what parameter you are passing in the form or in API. That value will come here in the event. In context, the context is nothing but where the Amazon AWS Lambda functions has some inbuilt property, like what is the function name of that and how long this Lambda function executed and what is the billing cycle. These are the if you want to capture it, okay, it captures here actually, but I want to capture like through programmatically, or I want to log the information somewhere else. So this is a documentation for that, okay. So if you go there, see context property, through context property, I can able to fetch the function name, version name, what is the memory limit, and what is the stream name. These informations are there. Let me use this to here already it is there, but I will use this one. Okay, I will try to use the okay, and I'll use this one. Get remaining milliseconds. Okay, what I'll do, I'll go here and print not event, okay, context dot seconds, okay, milliseconds, and I will log one more thing. I will memory limit in the MB and context dot memory limit. Even if you want to return this value also, I can return it just for uh, so I'm just returning in the JSON. And let me save it. Now I will trigger it. Okay, the lambda invalid function line number 10. Okay, line number 10. Oh, here somewhere I missed it. Okay, because of this. So since I am not, so it clearly tells where the mistake also there. Mostly 95% will show the clearly where exactly you are making. So since I am not appended with a string concatenate, so that's why it's throwing error. Let me save it. Test it out. Okay, so this is my response. Okay, so 128 is nothing but I think my MB size. See here, this is the MB size which I appended. So 128 MB. So it's returns. And since we log the informations, okay, so here it comes 128 and the millisecond. So this is return type issue. That's why it comes like that. Okay, so it comes 128. lambda dot get remaining milliseconds is spawn method. Okay, what we'll do, we will use some other thing. Okay, so our intention is to show uh, uh, we can use this function, nothing else. Let me, what I'll do is let me save it and I will test it once again. Uh, okay, let me test it out. Now it's executed. So it's shown here. It shows a function name. Okay. Uh, so that's it. What in next video we will see about this permissions. So what we'll do is that we'll create IAM role. Okay, like some permissions. So not everybody can execute this lambda function. So it requires a special privileges for that. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll try to create that one and we'll see in the next video. Okay. Thank you guys.